Today, I'd like to introduce to you a unique semi-electric pallet truck. Compared with fully electric pallet trucks, semi-electric pallet trucks are more affordable. With a relatively simple structure, the frequency and cost of maintenance are low, and the cost of replacing parts is not high, which further reduces the overall operating costs. Although it is semi-electric, it still has a strong cargo handling capacity and can meet the handling needs of most regular goods. Whether it is for cargo transfer within the warehouse or material distribution on the production line, it can play an important role. The body structure is stable, the chassis is solid, and it is equipped with high-quality tires, which effectively prevents goods from falling due to shaking or tilting, ensures the safety of handling operations, and reduces the risk of goods damage. What do you all think of semi-electric pallet trucks?